Hey guys, it's Mark Co for the 3rd of June. So here we are starting a new month into summer months and a little more excitement. Guys, I did a session yesterday and was talking about all these different markets we follow and just laying it out. And this is where I think you really get the value from this service, and this is where I think you really have to be involved. So I'll just walk through. Yesterday, and for months, this didn't start yesterday, but this was the layout here in euro dollar. Guys, buy euro dollar dips. Every tweet you see me put on Twitter in real time for the subscribers. Buy euro dollar. Buy where are they all? Buy euro dollar. Bottom line, you want to be euro dollar buyers. I mean, I just can't say it more ways. The FX sheet that comes out at night says buy euro dollar, and we bought them on Friday, Thursday evening into Friday. We paid um, on our swing trade. We paid right there 11.35. So we bought them on Thursday evening. And we got really close because we went break even on Friday morning after this thing got up to the 80s, and very, very close to stop. But we stayed in it. We stayed in it over the weekend, and we'll continue to hold it. But we are long euro. As I said, the way we're looking at these things, we prefer to be long euros. We're long pounds. As of this morning, we paid 26.16 in the pounds on a swing trade this morning. We also got a intraday trade, which will close here relatively soon. It's 3:30 on the East Coast as I speak. So we are long pounds at 16. So we had a limit order working this morning. We got long pounds on this pullback, almost at the lows there. And then we got an intraday pullback to get an intraday long in pounds. So we had 2 pound positions long. One of them will close and one will carry over. So the intraday will close by 5 p.m. today. That currently is up about 44 ticks. So nice little move higher there. And that's about it on intraday. What I did for everybody today is I pulled up short-term charts for everybody. As we use these counts, I let everybody use short-term stuff. So I said I'm not going to be able to call these out in a really fast way, but you guys will all know what we're doing. Again, from the Sunday morning session, we had this area pegged in the ES from about 27 and a quarter up to the low 27.30s as support. I said look for a bounce. We've seen bounces this morning, so let's watch how many bounces you got. You got one early European trading, took you up to just shy of 60s, back to the 30s again, above 60s, back to the 30s again, into the 50s, back into the 30s again, up into the 50s, and now we see it, challenging the new lows, and it is just given rotation after rotation. So a whole lot of profit potential for the shorter term E-mini players, and they have to be loving life just because that level was so well pegged. But again, you have to think about the real value of what you're getting here. You're getting the value of knowing these levels so far in advance. I did a class today, and we were talking with a number of people about why they focus on short-term trading as opposed to looking at bigger picture. And it doesn't really have to be a difference between saying I will not short-term trade. It needs to be where your big picture work takes the precedence in terms of what you're looking at levels. So this is where our bottom edge level in E-minis came from, and why we were looking at buying dips today that held bottom edges. That's why. So it had nothing to do with looking at a 5-minute chart going, oh wow, this is a great signal here. It has everything to do with finding bigger picture areas and then putting the odds in your favor at those areas. So guys, it's been a nice little start to June. Hope to see some more follow through for sure, but I hope everybody's having a good day and a good week, and again, hope you're enjoying what we laid out yesterday in the Sunday session. We have a great deal right now. We've we've added a monthly option for our service. So for the low price of $97 1 month, and cancel at any time. But it starts at $97 and then it rolls into regular pricing at $197. So before we've been selling a $500 annual subscription. Those are no longer available. So if you guys are interested, it's compassfx.com/peak50, and look forward to it, guys. Cheers. Have a good day.